How to resize and rotate masks in Premiere Pro. Select your video and in the Effect Controls panel, under Opacity click on Rectangle Mask. Click and drag the mask around to reposition it. Click and drag any of the points to where you want, and hold down the Shift key while doing it, to move the points in 45 degrees angles. Select two of the keyframes, then drag one of them to resize the mask in one side of the rectangle. Move the mouse cursor outside of the mask and near one of the points. Then hold down the Shift key and drag to resize the mask in all directions. You can add more points to the mask. Move the cursor above the line to see this icon, then click and drag to add point. To remove a point, hold down the Ctrl key and click on the point you want to remove. To rotate the mask, move the mouse cursor outside of the mask and near one of the points to see this icon, then just click and drag. To add feather to the mask, click and drag this empty circle. You also can change mask feather in the Effect Controls panel. Also, you can change opacity and mask expansion in the Effect panel. Or you can change mask expansion by clicking and dragging this point in the preview window. At last, you can check or uncheck this checkbox to invert the mask. If the mask handles in the preview are not visible, click on the mask in the Effect Controls to see them again. You can create multiple masks on the same clip. You also can select a mask and press the delete key to delete it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.